My pin era. Mini corn dogs. Chili cheese fries. Welcome to my pin haul. Okay, this one is the Disney dogs. Alright. I want Lady. And honestly, Pluto's kind of cute. The Dalmatian's cute. Let's get into it. Oh, I don't know who that is, but these are big. Very cute. I also don't know who this is either. Now I want to do the mystery one. Oh my god, cute. I got this Halloween hat. That's a keep. And then this Scarlet Witch t-shirt. That's, I don't know. That's amazing. Okay, last, this flower one. I want the Mickey. Honestly, they're all cute. Ah, Pluto. Very cute. Okay, a warm cinnamon bun, and then a creme brulee croissant. We've been at Disney since 9. It's like 11 now. We went on a couple rides. I'm having a crispy Coke. Bought these ears. I wanted the other mini ones, but they were sold out. So I had these ones before, but I lost them. Coconut whip. Okay, we got my spring rolls, pizza, and cheese.
It is sweet.
We'll do the pizza one first because I feel like I won't like this one as much. Cheeseburger. Delicious. This one is better.
You gotta watch out for Smiley here. He's got a big bite and Ginger, she snaps.
Okay, the lighting is horrendous and I am sweating a lot. But I was walking around all over the park looking for these ears, and all the cast members said they were sold out all over the park. I'm in Storybook Big Top Souvenirs right now. I found them. I literally just bought these ones, so I'm just gonna have 2 pairs. But that's okay. I got 2 pins, the Play in the Park ones. Super cute. Also, amazing store. I love this place. All the car stuff. No, we're broken. Free fingers, you guys. Hello everyone, I'm back with more pin opening. This is the Play in the Park series. I really want, the Goofy shopping spree, the Donald's like snack era. Honestly, they're all cute. Chip and Dale. I think this is like a Pirates one. That's cute. Doom Buggy. That's a keep. That is a keep. That's a trade. It's Daisy and Minnie playing with their bubbles. This hidden mystery pouch one. Oh. I don't like this one. Oh my god, Valentine's Day Donald? Kind of cute. Here are my new ears that I just got. We're going to Tiana's now because our lightning lane starts at 5:30 and it's 5:47. My tummy hurts also.
Come true. This calls for a celebration.
How big is McDonald's? Steak and egg biscuit. Very interesting. And a frozen Coke. We're at Panera. Hello everyone, I have not vlogged today at all, but this morning we went to Blizzard Beach. And then we went to Panera for lunch. We just went to Trader Joe's, and then me and Austin are going to Hainabe. That's Claude and Karen's restaurant. It's like behind Nola's, like their ice cream store. And then my sister and her husband and my dad are going to Olive Garden. So we're going to High-Nomics. I'm so excited. I've been like really thinking about this forever. We're just like a little bit early, so I'm just chilling. But this is like the outside of it. It's so cute. Wagyu dumpling review. Oh yeah, that hits. We're gonna try a spring roll now. Ice cream. Okay, you got taro, mango, coconut.
Taro milk and mango coconut. Yeah.
Strawberry and then Thai tea.